Want 1 million YouTube subscribers in just 24 hours? No ads, no expensive software, no viral video needed. There is apparently one tiny YouTube setting that almost nobody knows about. Open YouTube Studio. Go to Settings, then Channel. Click Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Audience Growth Mode. Turn it on. Now select Maximum Subscriber Boost. Set the percentage to 100%. Save it. And congratulations! Your channel should now start getting thousands of subscribers every hour. Sounds amazing, right? There is just one small problem. Everything I just told you is fake. But notice something important. You clicked this video because the promise sounded irresistible. And that is exactly what scammers and fake YouTube gurus are doing to new creators every single day. Change the secret setting. Get 10,000 subscribers overnight. Turn this feature on before YouTube removes it. Do this trick and the algorithm will push every video. They know creators are frustrated. They know you want fast results. So they sell you hope, fake tricks and shortcuts, while they get the views. The uncomfortable truth is much simpler. Growing on YouTube takes work. You need better ideas, better thumbnails, stronger titles, a powerful first 10 seconds, good storytelling, consistency, and most importantly, videos that people genuinely want to watch. There may be strategies that help you grow faster, but there is no magic setting. Don't become the product of someone else's clickbait.